Now welcome back to the channel. Today I will be cooking some Jamaican style black bean. Black bean is not a traditional Jamaican dish, but it has a wide range of health benefits. Now as you can see, I'm using the reduced sodium canned bean because I want to have full control over the amount of salt that goes into the dish. This dish is quick and easy and only require a few ingredients. You can also cook your beans from scratch, and I do that sometimes, especially when I'm cooking the red peas, but using the canned beans will greatly reduce your cooking time. Now let's talk about the health benefits of black beans. They are an excellent source of protein, plant protein that is, and they are a great option for people that are vegetarians or vegans. Now, protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and healthy skin and nails. Black beans also contain potassium, folate, and magnesium, which support a healthy blood pressure, good for your heart. It is also high in fiber, which helps to lower your cholesterol and improve your gut health. It also prevents constipation. Now, the complex carbs and fiber in black beans make it slow to digest, so this prevents blood sugar spikes, which is great for people trying to manage diabetes. Do you ever notice that when you eat a meal that includes beans in it, that you feel fuller for a longer period of time? This is a great way to aid in weight management, because if you're full for a longer period of time, then you don't need to eat as often. Black beans is rich in vitamin B9, which is also known as folate, and folate is important for brain development and mood regulation. I love to add my natural seasonings to the oil because it really makes the dish more flavorful. Another benefit of black bean is that it is versatile. You can add it to stews, soups, or salads. Now, black beans are very affordable, so they won't break your budget, and it have a long shelf life, so you can keep it for months if needed. With the price of food these days, it's definitely beneficial to stock up on economical food products. Now, after sauteing your natural seasonings in the oil for a few minutes, you can go ahead and add your canned beans to the pot. Then we're going to season with some complete seasoning, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. Now stir the pot and let it simmer. After a few minutes of simmering, you're going to give the sauce a taste test and adjust the seasoning as needed. Remember that I used the reduced sodium canned beans, and I also add some water to the pot when I was cooking it, so you might need to add some seasoning to bring up the flavor. Now, once the sauce reaches the consistency that you want, it's time to share and dinner is served. You can have it for lunch as well. I am serving it with some jerk chicken and some white rice. Preferably it should have been some brown rice or bulgur for a healthier option. You can also serve it like I do sometimes with some pear, we call it in Jamaica. In other countries they call it avocado. Also some ripe plantains, and sometimes I like to mix up my rice in the sauce with the beans. And there you have it. Whichever option you choose is totally up to you. Either way is good. If you found value in the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now, as usual, here's a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica. You're looking at Montego Bay, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.